Hi. So this is one of the modal analysis results which I opened. If I want to hide this mesh line and make it look like this, how to do it? So let's start. So firstly, I will just put it in this is just a play loop mode. I will put it into swing mode to get the proper visualization. So this way it will swing. Now for better visualization, I will put two sections here. Now I just want to hide the mesh lines here. So how to do it? So you can go to here, options, then common, then you will have this window. In this window, you can there are various options. You can put shaded feature angles and press apply. There you go. All mesh lines are gone, and now you can take a good quality image of this if you want to report it or good quality GIF. There are many more options here if you want to explore it. Suppose if you want to have the wireframe image, you can have it like this, or suppose hidden one, you can have it like this. Second thing is if you want to have the normals also, you can show the normals also. And obviously the node labels, if you want to take it on, uh, you can on it that the node labels of each and every node. And obviously there are many more options which you can explore. So yeah, that is how you can do it. Thank you, have a great day.